Hey guys, this is Balu from Balu Prime and once again welcome you all back for an exciting tutorial. In this tutorial, let's see how we can place UFO into our footage using Element 3D plugin in Adobe After Effects. So I hope you will find this tutorial useful, but before going to that, if you end up liking this video, please click on that like button, do share this content, and if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing my channel and support me. So further without any ado, let's begin. So here we are in After Effects. Now let's begin this by importing our footage onto this project panel. For that, right click on this project panel, import, select your file, or else you can directly drop your footage onto this project panel. Now again select your footage and drop it onto this composition icon here. Now let's see the preview of this. Press 0 for RAM preview. So here you can see this is a royalty free footage which I have downloaded from online source. I will be leaving a link in the description from where you can download the same footage. Nice. So I want this video clip to be of 10 seconds long, so be on the 10th second frame. Press N on the keyboard to select the end frame. Right click, trim comp to work area. Nice. So in order to place 3D objects in a footage where the camera is not steady, first we need to track the footage. So for that, select your footage layer, come to this tracker options. If you're not finding this tracker options here, go to this window and enable tracker from here. Now being selected your footage layer, click on this track camera. So it starts analyzing our footage and gives us some tracking points when it is done. So here you can see we got the track points here. Now select this bunch of track points here, hold mouse left key and simply drag on these track points. Right click and select create solid and camera. So we got a new solid layer created here. Let me show you that. Press S on the keyboard to scale it up. Let me scale it up. If the perspective is not aligned correctly according to the video, let me rotate it. So let me align it properly. I think this is fine. Okay. Now let's create a new solid layer for Element 3D. For the go to this layer options, a new solid. Let me rename this to Element and hit OK. Now go to this effects and presets panel here. If you're not finding this panel here, go to this window and enable effects and presets and look for Element. So this is a third-party plugin. We need to download it separately. Select this element and drop it onto this element layer. Now click on the scene setup. So we got a new window open to work in Element 3D. Now let's import UFO model onto this. So I will be leaving a link in the description where you can download the model which I am using here. So let me import that. So click on this import button. Select your UFO model. It is in object format. Select it. Open. Let the alignment from the center. Okay. Now click on this normalize size. So here you can see we got this model here. Now if we expand this, we get 4 different materials. Now let us apply some materials here. So let me go to this Pro Shaders 2. Once the materials are applied, now right click here, aux animation, change it to channel 1. Now hit OK. So we got our model here, but it is not placed at this position, solid position. We want this model to be here. So let me go to this group 1, come to this create group null, expand this and hit on create button. So we got a group 1 null created here. Now select this track solid layer, press P on the keyboard for position options. Select those positions, go to edit, copy them. Now select this group 1 null, again press P for position, select those position values, go to edit and paste. So our model has been moved to here position. So let me increase the scaling, come to this aux channel 1. So let me increase the scaling to 25. So we got this model here. Now let us position it. So minus 25 -20. Okay, let me increase scaling a bit. Come to this rotation, let me rotate it by -2. It's -3. Okay, let me position here at this place. Okay, let it be there. Now channel Z position, let me change it to 15. Let me increase the scaling once again to 35. Channel position 10. Just play with the different value of this to set or to get your preferred look here. So okay, now let's say, so where you can see it is staying at its position. Nice. Let me reduce this channel position too. Okay, now be on the first frame, come to this Y rotation, enable keyframe of this Y rotation, move to the last frame and change this rotation value to 90. Okay, now again be on the first frame, come to this position value of X, move to the last frame. Now let us bring it side here a bit. Now we can hide out this track solid. Now let me select this element layer, scroll down to ambient occlusion, that is in render settings, click on this render settings, ambient occlusion, enable ambient occlusion, intensity 25, and let me go to this glow, enable this glow, let me reduce this intensity to 1 or else 0.5 would be fine, I think. Okay, nice. Now let's add an environment map to this 3D object so that it matches to this scene. So for that I have taken a screenshot of this video. Actually we need a 360 image, but since it is not available I will be using a screenshot of this video. Now let me apply that. So select this element layer, go to the scene setup once again, click on this environment tab here and select that image. So come to the screenshots here. Okay, nice. So you can see the environment is reflecting on this model now. Now again hit OK. Fine. Now you can see it matches to our footage. If you want to reduce the brightness or anything, you can do that in this scene setup only. So here you can see we can reduce the brightness. If you want to increase the brightness you can do that, or if you want to reduce the brightness you can do that. So play with the values of this to match with your scene. Okay. So in this way we can add UFO into our footage using Element 3D plugin in After Effects. So I hope you guys have learned something new from this tutorial. If you have learned anything new, please like, share and subscribe my channel and support me. So we'll meet in the next video. Until then, signing off. Take care. Bye.